Hello student, Assalamualaikum. What's up? So you know that I have solved this book, New Syllabus Mathematics 7 edition, Mathematics 2, Grade 7 follow this book, Cambridge and CIE curriculum this follow this book. So okay. So previous class I solved 4B 7 to 9. So today we will do 4B 10 to 12. Okay, so let's start today's class. So exercise 4B10, expand and simplify each of the following expression. Okay, exercise 4B number 10. A, at first copy the question. 4 multiply x plus 3 whole square minus 3 x plus 4 into x minus 4. Okay, see, 4 multiply x plus 3 whole square. That's mean this is formula. Okay, so at first apply the formula a plus b whole square. That's mean a square plus 2ab plus b square. Now 3 multiply x plus 4 into x minus 4. So this is, see, this is formula a plus b into a minus b. So apply this formula a plus b into a minus b. That's mean a square minus b square. Okay, now this one calculation 3 2s are 6x, 3 whole square mean 9, and this one is s square and 4 whole square mean 16. Okay, now 4 multiply s square, distributive law, 4s square, again 4 multiply 6s, that's mean 4 6 are 24x, again 4 multiply 9, 4 9s are 36. Same here, 3s square minus a plus 3 16s are 48. Now check like term here, 4s square and 3s square. So arrange this, 24x plus 30x plus 48 number arrange. Now plus and minus a minus, 4s square minus 3s square, that means s square plus 24x and 36 plus 48, that's mean plus 8 and 6 9 10 11 12 13 14 14 and 4 and 1 4 and 3 7, that's mean 8 84. That's it, this is the answer. At first formula apply a plus b whole square, see, and same here a plus b into a minus b, s square minus b square, then key multiply distributive law, 4 multiply full this term, 3 multiply full this term, then calculation like term and arranging and calculation. That's it. Okay, so now b, at first copy the question, x minus 2y whole square. So at first had this formula a minus b and a plus b. So x square, a mean full 5x and b mean full key 7y, a square minus b square. Okay, same here this formula a minus b whole square, a square minus 2a mean x, b mean 2y plus b square. So এখানে আমি থার্ড ব্র্যাকেট ইউজ করব বিকজ এখানে দুটো ভ্যারিয়েবল ছিল, আই ইউজ দ্য ফার্স্ট ব্র্যাকেট. So 5 5s are 25 s square, 7 whole square mean 49y square, and s square 2 2s are 4 xy multiply, then 2 whole square mean 4y square. That's it. 25 s square minus 49 y square. Now distributive law, 2 multiply s square 2s square minus a plus 4 2s are 8 xy plus a minus a minus 4 2s are 8 y square. Okay, now arrange like term. S square 2s square 25 s square minus 2s square. So xy term one here, so no here xy term. So okay, fine. Now 49y square minus 8y square. Okay, now calculation 25 plus a minus a minus, so 25 থেকে 2 minus, that's been 23 s square plus 8xy minus a plus 49 and 8 minus, that's been 57y square. That's it. This is the answer. Okay, so now 11. Everyone read the question. If s square plus y square is given here value 14 and xy is given value 5, find the value of half x plus half y whole square. Okay, so given s square plus y square is 14 and xy is 5. Okay, so half x plus half y whole square. At first we have common. So half common means half whole square, that's mean half whole square common. See, x plus y whole square. So calculation half whole square mean 1/4. And see here x plus y whole square. We use the formula a plus b whole square. A square plus 2ab plus b square. Now I arrange this term s square and y square plus 2xy. So s square plus y square value given here 14. That's why I arrange this term. So now put the value s square plus y square is 14 plus 2 and xy value 5. So 5. So calculation 14 plus 5 to the 10. So 1/4. 14 plus 10, that's mean 4 and 0 4 1 1 2. Answer. Okay, here no need to use bracket. 4 cut 24, that's mean 4 6 are 24. That's it. This is the answer. So now question number 12. So question is given 2s square minus 2y square is value given 125 and x minus y value was given 2.5. So find the value of x plus y. Okay, start. Given 2s square minus 2y square is equal to 125 and x minus y here value 2.5. So I will do the math with given term. So here I will common 2. So s square minus y square 125. So this is into relation. When I changing side, right hand side, that's divide. Now this is cut by calculation korle 62.5. So this is আমি এখানে রাফ ওয়ার্ক করে দিই তোমাদেরকে 6 2s are 12, 5 bricks down, 2 2s are 4 minus 1 point 0, so 5 2s are 10. So that's why 62.5. Now see here s square minus y square, that's mean this show formula a square minus b square, that's mean key a plus b into a minus b. So we put formula a plus b, x plus y and x minus y. Okay, so x plus y here and x minus y value given at 2.5, so that's why I put down 2.5. So x plus y is equals to 62.5 into relation sides ranging when right sign, that's mean divide. So now decimal put down, 10 cut, so 625 divided by 25. 25 2s are 50, 2 6 থেকে 5 minus 1, so 5, so 25 5s are 125. So x plus y is answer 25. That's it. This is the x plus y. Find the value of x plus y, that's mean x plus y is equals to 25. That's it. This is answer. So আজকের ক্লাস এই পর্যন্তই থাক। So fully exercise 4B finish, basic level and intermediate level. Next হচ্ছে অ্যাডভান্স লেভেলস। আচ্ছা, গ্রেড 7 এ অ্যাডভান্স লেভেলটা নো নিড, দ্যাটস ওয়াই আই উইল নট সলভ দিস। বাট তারপরও তোমাদের যদি ইন্টারেস্ট থাকে সো আমাকে কমেন্ট বক্সে কমেন্ট করো, যদি কারো ইন্টারেস্ট থাকে সো আমি সলভ করবো। ওকে, সো তোমরা সবাই ভালো থাকবা আর আমার চ্যানেলটি কিন্তু সাবস্ক্রাইব করবে এবং বেশি বেশি লাইক অ্যান্ড শেয়ার করবে। যদি আমার চ্যানেলটি লাইক অ্যান্ড শেয়ার করো এবং সাবস্ক্রাইব করো, দেন আমি এটি ফুলফিল কন্টিনিউ করবো এবং এই ফুল ইয়ারে এই বুকটা আমি সলভ করবো ইনশাল্লাহ। আবারও নেক্সট ক্লাসে দেখা হচ্ছে। আল্লাহ হাফেজ, আসসালামু আলাইকুম।